Hey guys, today we'll be making these bad boys, French chocolate truffles. Wow. So first we're going to melt our chocolate. If you got a baking thermometer at your disposal, use it and melt it to around 50 degrees Celsius. That will give you the best texture and best result. Now over here I'm going to bring to the boil the cream and the glucose. Now the secret to making a ganache is add it in stages. At the end of the day guys, making a chocolate ganache is exactly the same as making a mayonnaise. It's a emulsification between the chocolate and the cream. The texture comes during the making process. So add the cream in stages. If you do that, you'll be totally fine. So when the first bit of cream has been nicely incorporated into the chocolate and it's nice and smooth, add the rest of the cream and beat until it's nice and glossy and thick and beautiful. Cover the top of the surface with cling film and let it rest at room temperature overnight. That does two things: improves the flavour and the texture. Now fill the ganache in a piping bag, get rid of any excess air bubbles. Wow, the texture is incredible guys. And the flavour? You tell me about it. Now pipe the ganache into whatever size portions you like, which have lined with non-stick parchment paper, and put them in the fridge to firm up for about an hour or two, just until they're firm enough to roll up into balls. Then coat them in cocoa powder and put them in a sieve to get rid of any excess cocoa powder. Then enjoy these incredible truffles guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you next time. Fabulous.